Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can solve the no internet connection problem on CapCut. For instance, if you come here and you want to make the settings or the filter settings, you see it tells you no internet connections, and sometimes even if you want to use some other settings, it tells you the same thing. I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem in just few minutes. Alright, three methods that you can use to solve this problem. Alright, so first of all, the first method you're going to be using is you're going to be having to download this particular CapCut. Alright, so if you want to get this CapCut, of course I'm going to be leaving a link to my Telegram where you can get access to it. Alright, once you've gotten access to it, then you're going to come here and click on app information. That is the next step you do, and you come to where you have clear data. Ensure you clear all data. Alright, clear everything, all data, clear all data. And once that is done, you can go ahead to open it. And I will also advise, before you open it, you can also try to use a VPN, which is called the Super VPN. I'm also going to be leaving a link to the Super VPN right in the Telegram channel. Once you've connected, and also make sure you connect to Singapore. All right, you get it right here. Make sure you connect to Singapore, and once you're done, you can then come over here to where you have the CapCut, and it's going to be opening as a fresh new CapCut since you have deleted everything. Once you have uploaded the video you want to edit, all you just have to do, you just come here to filter. Once you click on it, automatically it's going to open up. It's not going to show you the no internet connection problem anymore. So you see that it's going to open up. So if you ever have a problem with the CapCut, all you just need to do is follow these 3 steps and you will get it back working very well. So thank you so much for watching, and do have a wonderful day.